guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Welcome to part 3, opening My Little Pony, Equestria Girls. Now he's not a girl, he's a boy. And today we're opening a boy, Equestria Rainbow Boy. He's called Rainbow Dash, and he's a pony, but it says Equestria Girls. I don't know why for a reason. And then his name is Rainbow Dash.
I thought
Rainbow Dash.
I thought she's a girl.
He's a boy.
Sure?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I never watched the animation.
Yeah, there's nothing there. Age 5.
Yeah, you are much older than me.
Idade. What is that? Idade.
That's Spanish.
What about the second one?
Which one is H? I'm sure.
There's 2 words in Spanish.
Yeah, one is Spanish, maybe the other one is something else. I have no idea.
Okay, I don't remember what it was in Portuguese, but I'll still open the back of the box first because it's very long. Now, let's open the back of the box. What songs do you like? What ponies do you like? Comment down below. How much comments have you had in part 3? You can comment as much as you want. I don't care. I put this on the table and nobody even will notice. Now it's kind of open. We can still rip it off. Why is this packaging so bad? And now we got the flyer. Let's open the flyer. It says Facebook and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram. Oh, look. I'll give you a look of this side and a look of this side. And a look of this side and a look of this side. Ooh, that's kind of cool, man. My teeth, fellas. Here, help me flip it. Let's play with tape. Should I tape it on you? I will pretend. Can you see through the tape? I don't think you can. But I'll stick it on the table very good. And they'll think it's cardboard stuck on the table. But it's really just tape. I'm sticking it on the table. Whoa, if you have no good vision, you will never see this. It's like, why is the table so wrong? Oh, it's tape. Well, now it's stuck on my hands, which is not supposed to happen. Oh, we got Rainbow Dash and Rainbow Dash's hat. Ooh, let's put his hat. He's a boy, but everybody calls him a girl. He said, let's put her hat on. But he's a boy. His hat. His shoes cannot be removed, but he doesn't have a skirt. He can't remove anything. Look at him. He has a ponytail, or she. Supposed to call him he, but the pony calls she. So he has a back thingy, a ponytail, and he has a tattoo here under his eye, a rainbow. But I don't see his cutie mark anywhere. Which is a cloud in a thunderstorm that it's a rainbow. And he clears out all the clouds. Let's give you a tour of this. This is called a stand. And we don't need to give you a tour of the stand, but we kind of need to put the stand on him. It's not walking. I'm just gonna put 1 feet by 1 feet. Now let's put the other feet. No, go, 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 go. Now we finish putting her in the stand. Let's say bye. See you next time.